So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have my hometown guy called Cheche, Sheikh Cheche. So, and today we are actually going to a waterfall still in Kirinyaga County, inaitwa Ng'ung'u Waterfall. This waterfall, it has a very good scene, guys, and it is a waterfall that you people may know, most of you may know that river, because this river is the one that hosts Jinekabia. Jinekabia, that place that has a wild swing. So this is the same river that flows, and this is the second last waterfall of this river. So I will take you to that will be on another video, another short video that I went to the other waterfall, but today I will still show you another waterfall that's just below Njine Kabia, guys. So just watch the video. Hello guys, we are back again at Ng'ung'u Waterfall, and as you can see, here is the river that crosses, that goes down to the waterfall, and you can see a woman here trying to dry her clothes, and here is the falls. You can see it, the start, and here is the top of the falls. And guys, don't get close to the falls. Yeah. So it was time now to descend down to the waterfall and just soaking the views, guys. The terrain is not that bad, but whenever you are visiting waterfalls, you just have to expect that lazima utashuka na lazima utapanda steep hills, guys. So it's an adventurous journey that I encourage everybody to try and experience, because you just have to love these places. Just look at how the landscape looks so amazing, guys. So yeah, so I'm encouraging everybody to travel to waterfalls and experience nature in a just wild way, guys, out there. So yes, tumefika chini ya waterfall, and oh my god, goodness, guys, these waterfalls just looks amazing, guys. Just look at them. They are two waterfalls, but one waterfall is man-made for irrigational purposes, guys, and this waterfall, just look at it. This is Ng'ung'u Waterfall, guys. It has just a nice scene, and the waterfall floor, the pool just looks amazing. It is not that deep. People swim here, kids swim here, so it is actually a pretty good waterfall to visit, guys. So I'm encouraging everybody, whenever mna visit Jinekabia, you can come here. It's free. You can access this waterfall, guys. Yes, it's pretty free. So tumesema iko kwa mto inaitwa Mokengeria. It's on Mokengeria River, just below Jinekabia, that wild place, guys. You all know that place. So this is the same river that hosts Jinekabia, and it has some other waterfalls. The waterfalls that I have traveled on this river so far, they amount to 5 waterfalls, guys. 5 waterfalls on this river, guys, and all are all scenic, guys. As you can see, this waterfall is just crazy. So this waterfall, I have done an interview on Kameme TV. Kama hauja watch hiyo video, please you can watch it still on my YouTube channel. And these were the interview scenes that we were covering on the waterfall, guys. So this waterfall tumesema inaitwa Ng'ung'u Waterfall. It has a special feature, guys. You can see two people. It's a mother and a kid who have come to the waterfall to get sparkling mineral water. This mineral water comes from the ground where they are right now. So guys, this water, they use it for various activities. One, you can either give it to a cow when it's bloated. Number two, they say it cooks githeri faster. Number three, mtu akona ulcers hivi inaweza mtibu. Yes guys, so they use it. Na pia uji, huwa inapika uji ya mogagatio and the sour milk, guys, and they say it makes it very very sweet, guys. So those are the uses of sparkling clean water. So watu wanakuja hapa kuchota, you can actually taste it. Ukionja unasikia inaonja kama maji ya battery ya gari hiyo design, but it's very very healthy, guys. So I encourage you to come to this waterfall and drink sparkling mineral water from the ground. Yes, so you can come here, it's safe, you can carry it. Unaweza kuja na container na unaweza kuibeba, guys. So visit Ng'ung'u Waterfall and just enjoy this amazing mineral water resource. Murega mai macio nĩ make rĩu makũnywa mamũteithagia na njĩra no rĩu ona kĩũria. So guys, whenever you visit Kirinyaga County ama Ng'ung'u, the wild swing, guys, so you can pass by this waterfall. It's just close to Ng'ung'u Waterfall. So I am encouraging everybody, you can just spare your 30 minutes and walk to this waterfall and you will find it. It's so majestic, guys, as you can see in this video. I just have the setup of this waterfall. It has a cliff face that you can actually see walking on downward. So and the floor pool, guys, is so large that you can still have a photo shoot here. It's a nice idea for a photo shoot, guys. So guys, you can visit this waterfall. And it was a surprise that when we were concluded with this waterfall, a group of guys came in who were heading to Ng'ung'u, and it was quite a large group, a group of around 30 individuals who passed by this waterfall just to soak in the views and enjoy the environment, guys. So this waterfall is easily accessible, guys. It's free and it's just amazing. You will love this amazing experience on this waterfall. So I'm encouraging everybody out there to visit any waterfall near them so that we can promote waterfall tourism talk about climate change, guys, and the dangers that we are facing, the rivers are facing, that the water level is actually decreasing at a very high rate. So those are the challenges that climate change is impacting our environment, guys. So guys, this was the group that passed by to visit this waterfall, and as usual, we don't like recording people's activities, so we just had to excuse them, guys, and move to another waterfall that still on Mukengeria river, that is not, it's around 2 meters tall waterfall, but it has just an amazing landscape, to walk, just to face it. It was just amazing, guys. So we just had to let these people have their time, and so that we would go and visit another waterfall. And here is the waterfall that our guides, who are those two guys walking in front of us, walituambia jina, but sorry guys, I just forgot the name of the waterfall. But this waterfall, tumesema bado iko kwa mto River Mukengeria, and the landscape, guys, just look at that landscape. The hills were just amazing, guys, and the waterfall, though small, around 3 meters tall, but it was amazing. And it has a cave, guys. This waterfall still has a cave, but the water level on the river was quite high, so hatungeweza kuingia kwa hiyo cave, because actually daraja pia ilikuwa imeoshwa. Alikuwa anasema hapa kuna daraja, but hiyo daraja haikuwa, because this waterfall, the pool is not that large, but it's very very deep, so sio vizuri kurisk. So this was a waterfall. You can actually see the dark part of the pool where the waterfall is. There is a cave, guys, inside there, so you can still visit this waterfall. It's easily accessible from the other waterfall, Ng'ung'u Waterfall. He need just like 5 meters walk to this waterfall, so you can access it. Mimi nawaletea waterfalls niwaonyeshe kwenye waterfalls ziko, guys, so that whenever you are visiting a place, you have an idea about the landscape and the waterfalls in Kenya, guys. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, guys, and comment on these waterfalls that we just found for you, guys.